Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to create Pinterest ads. So we'll walk you through the process of creating Pinterest ads, whether you're promoting products, driving website traffic, or increasing brand awareness. This will help you generate Pinterest ready ad creatives quickly using AI powered content and image generation tools. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to create several Pinterest ad formats, including standard pins, carousel pins, collection pins, idea pins, and quiz pins. So to start, let's go to adstorm.in, then sign into your account or sign up if you haven't done so. So we will be using AdStorm by Technic Force. This is an AI-powered advertising platform that helps you generate ad copy, creative ideas, and visuals in just a few clicks. It is designed to streamline the ad creation process and make it easier to build campaigns across different ad formats. So in this tutorial, we'll focus specifically on creating Pinterest ads with AdStorm. So to begin, navigate to the campaign section from the top navigation bar. So click on that, select the campaign you'd like to work with, and open it. Once inside the campaign, you'll see a list of available advertising platforms. From this list, so choose Pinterest to access the Pinterest ad creation dashboard. Here you'll find multiple Pinterest ad formats that can be generated using AdStorm's AI tools. Let's start with a standard pin, so one of the most commonly used Pinterest ad formats. So click the Create Ad button under the Standard Pin option. The first step is to enter a pin angle or marketing message that describes the focus of your advertisement. If you're unsure what message to use, AdStorm provides an AI-powered Suggest Angle feature that can automatically generate advertising angles based on your campaign objectives. Simply click that button, review the suggestions, and select the one that best fits your needs. Next, choose a text generation model and an image generation model. So, AdStorm offers multiple AI models, allowing you to select the option that best matches your desired content style and image output. You can also enable optional settings such as using emojis, activating text and image generation, adding a brand logo, and uploading an inspiration image to guide the creative process. Once your settings are configured, you'll be able to view the model costs before proceeding. Click Generate Ads to start creating your Pinterest ad. After the generation process is complete, AdStorm produces pin content, including titles, descriptions, and images. So you can review multiple title variations and use the available options to copy, edit, or regenerate them. Now, generated images can be viewed in different formats: enlarged for closer inspection, downloaded, or edited further. When you're ready to create another ad format, simply click Create More Ads to return to the Pinterest dashboard. Now let's create a carousel pin. So carousel pins allow you to showcase multiple images or messages within a single ad. So to create one, click Create Ad under the carousel pin section. So enter a carousel theme and specify the number of cards you would like to include. Then select your preferred text and image generation models. As with standard pins, you can enable additional options such as text and image generation, brand logo placement, and inspiration image uploads. Once everything is configured, click Generate Ads. Now, AdStorm will generate content for each carousel card, including headlines, titles, descriptions, and corresponding images. You can navigate between cards using the previous and dex controls, making it easy to review each element individually. Every card can be edited, downloaded, or removed as needed, giving you complete control over the final presentation of your carousel ad. Now let's move on to collection pins. Collection pins are ideal for showcasing products in a visually engaging format. To create the collection pin, select the format and click Create Ad. Enter a collection theme, choose your text and image generation models, and configure any optional settings you would like to use. After reviewing the model costs, click Generate Ads. Once the content is generated, AdStorm creates collection assets that include titles, descriptions, images, and product cards. You can review these elements, regenerate specific sections if needed, and copy content directly for use in your Pinterest campaigns. The platform also supports idea pins, which are designed to present content across multiple pages. To create an idea pin, enter a theme, select your preferred AI models, and configure the model or the available options. After generating the content, you'll receive titles, descriptions, images, and page cards that can be reviewed and edited as needed. If the generated content doesn't perfectly match your vision, you can quickly regenerate specific elements until you're satisfied with the results. Finally, let's explore quiz pins, one of the more interactive Pinterest ad formats. So start by selecting quiz pin and entering a quiz theme. Choose the desired text and image generation models. Then configure optional features such as brand logo placement and inspiration image uploads. Once you click Generate Ads, AdStorm creates quiz related assets including quiz titles, questions, results cards, and supporting images. You can edit or regenerate content, preview the generated visuals, and download the final assets for use in your campaign. As you've seen, AdStorm makes it easy to create Pinterest ads across multiple formats by combining AI generated copy, visuals, and creative assets into a streamlined workflow. Whether you're creating a standard pin, carousel pin, collection pin, idea pin, or quiz pin, the platform helps simplify the content creation process while giving you the flexibility to customize your ads. Thank you for watching. We hope this tutorial helps you create effective Pinterest campaigns using AdStorm. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and ring that notification bell. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.